Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes, honey, it's now live. What's up Twitter family? What's up YouTube family? Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing Cook With Me. Yes guys, today we are going to be making some fried chicken. Yes, but you guys know I like my chicken crispy, you know, I like my chicken nice and fried and everything. Deep fried, yes. And I also like them air fried as well. So today we're going to be using some yellow mustard fried chicken. However, we are not going to be adding no seasonings. We don't need no flour. We don't need none of that. Why? Because we're going to be doing yellow mustard fried chicken with some spice addicts, guys. Yes. So this is the Chicken Addict breaded mix by Cooking with the Catrons, guys. So that is what we're going to be using today to make our chicken. All right, I have already cleaned my chicken. They are nice and dry and everything. I followed the instructions on the packaging, as you guys can see right here. This is the instructions that is on the packaging. See how lovely the packaging looks. So the only thing that I will be adding to this chicken is about 2 or 3 drops of mustard. That is the only thing I will be adding. And I'm just going to stir it. Okay, and my oil have already been heated at 350 degrees. So as you guys can see, just want to give this a good coat. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to put some of my batter in a Ziploc container, this container right here, so I can shake my chicken up. Okay, just 1 second. So you can put it in a Ziploc container, or you can put it in a nice bag. So I think that should be good enough. Okay, so we're going to do this. So you just want to shift it just like that. Alright, and I can smell the seasonings, I can smell all of it. So you want to shake it off as you take it out. Make sure it's fully covered. Okay. Alright guys, look at that. Alright, I'm going to toss this in the oil. Alright, and again my fire is not at high, it's at a low heat. Okay, look at that guys. Okay, so we're going to do the rest of them. And then I'm going to move it down on over to and you can smell all the spices in this batter, guys, so you don't need nothing. You can smell all the spices in it, so you really don't need anything. Alright, you just gotta shake, and there you go. It's like you're buying a shake and fry from the store. And I believe you can use it to bake. I believe so. Alright guys? So please ignore everything else I'm making around the stove. We'll just focus on this. So fire on a low heat, alright? And according to the packaging, your chicken's supposed to be nice, flavorful, and golden. Again, the only thing that I have added was some yellow mustard. Alright, guys? Okay, let me just check my rice. Alright? So, I'm going to add some more chicken in just a minute. And alright. There we have it. We're going to place this in here. Just like that. Okay. Alright. And you see how nice and brown it's coming out, guys? That is what you are looking for from the packaging. Okay? That is what you're looking for from the packaging. Okay? Yes, guys. So, that is what you're looking for from your packaging. So you can turn. Alright. Turn. Okay. Alright. See how nice and brown that come out, guys? Again, no added seasoning, no flour, no nothing, just some mustard. Alright? And if you feel like you need to add more breaded to your bag, you can as well. Okay? Alright, so I've added more to my bag. Again, this is the same Ziploc bag I'm using, guys. As you all can see, this is the same one. So I'm just shaking it. Alright. Okay. See? Alright. And as soon as those is done, I will put them on a plate. Alright. And I still have more of the breading in here. Can you guys see that? Yes, you can. I still have more left. So you don't even need a lot, guys. Okay? So depending on how much you use or how many pieces of chicken that you're cooking, you don't need a lot. So this is only about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how about maybe 8 or so pieces. So you really don't need a lot. Yeah, only about 8 or so pieces that you need. And see how nice and golden it's coming out? So you really don't need too much for it to alright, I'm going to turn off my stove in the back. Alright, so, okay, I'm going to let that cook. Alright, we just cover the stove here. Okay? So you guys don't even have to worry about flour anymore, or seasoning your flour, or doing all that work when it comes to fried chicken. And you can just go ahead and order. Yeah. So of course, you guys, we will do a taste after everything is done. So just want to make sure that you turn your chicken. See how nice and brown they're coming out, guys? Alright, look how nice and brown that looks, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put the ones that need to be cooked in there now. Alright. So it has a nice brown texture of what fried chicken is supposed to look like, guys. So you got that nice golden brown texture. Yeah. So, alright. Again, I'm shaking. Getting a little too happy here. Okay. Let me get a plate to put the chicken that is done on it. This is done, guys. See how nice that looks? This is nice golden brown, guys. Didn't have to use no Goya, no nothing. See how that looks, guys? Look at that, guys. Y'all know I love my wings. See? Look at that. And when you basically fry your chicken using flour or any type of batter that you normally use, you can see in the oil that it doesn't leave a residue inside the oil. So there's like no residue. You can reuse this to fry more chicken if you run out or you want some more. So it doesn't leave like a residue, or you have to add more oil to your pan. So that's a good thing, guys. So as you can see, there's no type of residue, there's no type of crumbs. Because when you use flour, you have to always add more oil to your pan, because the flour is gonna melt off and it's gonna stick to the pan and stuff like that. So you always have to add more oil. So this will also be good to do if you guys would like to see. I do believe you can do this as air fry as well. Same thing. Yeah. As you guys can see, there's no type of batter that's stuck to the pan. Yeah, like you have all that free oil right there. Look at that. All that free oil. Yeah. all of that free oil right there. Yeah, see all that free oil right there, guys. Okay, so alright, so now I'm going to take out the ones that are already done. Okay. Alright, as you guys can see how nice and brown it's coming out. Alright. Okay. So we're going to let these cook. We're going to turn them. Okay. Alright guys. So now it is time to do our taste test. Yes, guys. Nice and crispy. I can still taste the mustard. I can taste the batter. Well seasoned. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's not like not overpowering. The batter is not crumbled off the chicken. So it's really good. Yeah. 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 So, you guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this cook with me. Please go and check out Cooking with the Catrons by Addicts. Please go and purchase Chicken Addict breaded mix, guys. You can use it for your chicken. You can fry it. So please go and make sure you check it out, guys. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you always be notified each time I upload or each time I go live, guys. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys. What's up, YouTube family? What's up?